In this video, I'll be showing you a simple trick to upgrade your Windows 11 Home to 11 Pro. Simple and easy. You're going to maintain your settings, your files and everything on your Windows. You're going to maintain it, but you just upgrade. Simple and easy. So here, what you're going to do is you move to your settings. So mostly I move to my settings by searching settings here, and I come here. Good, very simple. So when you hop on here, you then move to your system here. Good, and on the system you can see activation here. If your screen is small, you have to scroll to the bottom. Mine is very big, so I see the activation here. Just tap on that. Good, and you can see change product key here. Just tap on change. I'm already on 11 Pro. Yeah, so you're going to enter your product key here. So you purchase, just like you can read on the screen, you can pause and read. When you purchase the license key from Microsoft, you just paste it here. There's a sample. There's not something that's right, so you just paste it here like this, and you tap on the next. It's going to upgrade. All the installation is going to be done. You maintain your settings, your app and everything on your device, but your Windows is going to upgrade to 11 Pro, just like mine here. Simple and easy. So if you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to my channel. That's it for the video. Peace.